Australind. Very wet, soggy day. Currently sitting just north of Byford Junction. I'll put the window up, I'm getting soggy wet here. Not the best of views. Oh look, the loco has been disconnected off the front. And AB class diesel on the front to tow it down. Rain's eased up enough. The first new look at the brand new Australind. It's not even decaled and all that yet. It's not even got into service. I'm going to try brave the rain and get some shots from outside the car. Okay, I'm outside the car now, trying to brave the rain. So that's the leading end. If we look, it's ugly cab. Same as the C series, but this is a diesel rail car version. It was brought down from Perth City this morning. Went through Armadale about 20 to 6 in the morning, which I missed out on. And this is the 3-car set that replaces the original Australind. I managed to get some permission here from the guys keeping an eye on it. If you look up here, this is the tail end which we just saw a moment ago. While we've got this opportunity, I'm going to zoom in a bit closer. Give you the amount of detail that's in underneath. Style of bogie. Yeah, that's a bit better for you. Amount of underfloor detail. Those trying to model it. Yeah, we're back to this ugly front end. My designer rail car looks damn sight better. So we'll take a bit of a wander. I can't go any closer than this. These, I believe, have plug doors on them as they pop out and slide open. Try and get out and get a bit closer here. Now the rain's eased up a little. See this a little bit better. Come up closer. They're the door cameras, so the driver can see if there's anyone hopping on or hopping off. And then from here you can see the bogie design. Again, you can sort of see the amount of connections there are underneath the floor. And as we go for a bit more of a walk, so I go up here to the tail end, which is the same as the leading end. And we've got 24-hour security while it's parked out here in the middle of nowhere. I'll zoom in up here so you can see it better. I really prefer my designer rail car better, but this is what we're getting. I'm led to believe this won't be coming into service until at least January 2026. Look at the badge up here, that's its classification. So, rail car number. Give you a pretty good idea. It's a 3-car train, and yeah, once it's all decaled and in service, it'll look a little bit different. Don't have your tripod with me. Apologies about being all over the shop. But it's quite a distance down the line.